The temperature is holding steady at 250. Good, the viscosity looks perfect now.
The consistency looks good.
Yes, very soft. We can send this batch to Textiles.
We need to increase the drum speed for the denim batch.
All right, I'm adjusting the controls now. The output looks cleaner.
Did the scanner catch that uneven section near the selvage? Yes, rerouting to the repair station. Wait, the digital system says it's within tolerance for the bear's foot.
Dosing levels are holding steady at 70-30.
Excellent, the blend looks incredibly soft.
We need to increase the speed on conveyor 2.
The composition is steady at 70% cotton. The softness and density are perfect on this batch.
Noted. Looks good for the bears.
The material quality is perfect.
Great, let's start cutting the bear shapes.
How do the seams look? Perfect, the reinforcement held up well. Let's get them turned right side out. Okay, lift your side. It's heavier than the last one.
Got it. Watch the seam right here. Pull that side a little tighter.
Like this?
Perfect. Now let's get it to the machine.
Is the nose centered?
Yes, it looks perfect now. The symmetry is good.
I've secured the eyes and the nose is stitched tight.
Let me check the alignment. Yes, this meets specifications.
Guide the material carefully.
The plush orientation is correct. It's ready for filling.
The blended recycled fibers are fluffed by powerful air-assisted equipment. Then, female workers inspect the
Keep an eye on the foot area, making sure it fills evenly.
Looks good. The density is consistent all the way up.
Hold it steady right there. Got it. Looks aligned on this side.
A little more to the right, we need a perfect fit for the machine. How does that look? Perfect. Start the machine.
.30 on the dot. Okay, run the sequence. Looks good, very secure.
Found one right here on the neck seam. Needs reinforcing.
All right, mark it for repair.
This area is uneven. We need more filling here. Okay, I will check the width again. It looks perfect now. Approved.
The weight is outside the approved range. I'm seeing a discrepancy right here.
Yeah.
Yes, the stuffing seems uneven at this seam.
Stitching looks solid, no stress detected. Data confirms successful pull test. Approved for finishing.
Imperfection noted on the arm, right here.
Yeah.
Logging the correction. There we go, looks good to me.
The readings are stable, no anomalies detected.
Confirmed. Looks like it's clear.
All seams checked and logged. The attachments look solid.
Confirmed. The facial features are perfectly aligned.
Excellent. Finalizing the report now.
We've got a gap here by the ear. Fixed it. All sealed now. Perfect. Final clearance approved. All right, set it down right there on rack 12.
Confirmed. Dropping the pallet.
Location logged.
The density and strength checks are clear. And the fabric quality is excellent. We are good to approve.
Okay, easy now. Straight in, make sure it clears the top. Got it, looks good. Keep it steady on the left side, Mark.
Roger.
Roger that. Bringing it down 5 feet.
Looks good. Destination code 7 confirmed. Verified. Send it through. Inventory confirmed. The oversized plus shipment is ready for storage.
Lower it slowly, watch the left side. Copy that, coming down easy.
Look at the paws, they are so soft. And the face, it's perfect. From waist to this, it's truly amazing.
It starts with these recycled materials, old clothes and plastic bottles.
Which we process into this soft filling, exactly what's inside our giant bear.
We've transformed the waste into these high-quality recycled fibers.
And from this fiber, we create the filling for products like this bear. The stitching on this elephant is flawless. Yeah. Perfect. Applying the tag now and getting it ready for shipment.
The reinforced stitching looks excellent.
Yeah.
Yes, it really highlights the quality of the recycled fibers.
The laser scan is complete. Look at the variance.
Well within tolerance, it passes the final inspection.
All connection points secure. Fabric strength confirmed. Safety scan clear. It's approved.
Straps are secured. Clear to lift.
Manifest confirmed. Shipment ID 42, ready for international transit.
Let's check the manifest against the barcode. Looks good. Crate is secure. Confirmed. No signs of transit damage.
Look at this. It's huge. I can't believe how big it got. It's amazing.